Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make mushidori to kyuri no goma sauce. It's chicken and cucumber dressed with creamy sesame sauce. The chicken is great for make ahead, so if you have it ready to go in your fridge, you can make the dish in 5 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this mushidori to kyuri no goma sauce, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 1 or 2 cucumbers depending on the size, 1 chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, some salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 1 tablespoon of ponzu sauce, and 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Let's prepare the chicken first. Remove the skin. And trim these fat. Slant the knife like this and open it up. And let's start with the fork. Container that you can microwave. Put sugar, salt, and sake, and rub it well. Until you don't feel the granules of the sugar and the salt. Put the lid on and microwave 3 minutes at 600 watts. Flip it over. Put the lid back on in another 3 minutes at 600 watts. Chicken is ready. Let's just put it aside and cool down. I left the chicken for an hour and it's room temperature, so let's shred it. Just shred it using your hands. Okay, let's cut the cucumber. Cut both ends off. Make thin diagonal slices. Align them. and into strips. All sliced. Now, let's make the dressing. Mayonnaise. Ponzu sauce. Sesame seeds, all in. Little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Mix it well. And the sauce is ready. Let's put the chicken and cucumber and toss with the sauce. Serve on the plate. And 蒸し鶏ときゅうりのごまソース is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。The ingredients are very simple, but the creamy sesame dressing adds so much flavor, richness, and creaminess to the dish, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 蒸し鶏ときゅうりのごまソース is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice, or I would go for wakame gohan here and onion miso soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about shio butter kabocha for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!